today we're trying a kiwi. I think this is a Monty Kiwi. Because there's different varieties, but it's unclear to me how they differ from each other because I've only ever had it just kiwi in general. So I don't know what the baseline is, how they differ. And like everybody's had a kiwi before, but I don't think I've had it like just on its own.
Yeah, I think you said you were having with like other things.
Yeah, you pair it, like we were talking about it, you pair it with other things like strawberries, and you were saying that for you it feels like it's kind of like a palate cleanser, like parsley, but fruit. And if you've never seen a kiwi before, they're fuzzy. They have a green. Actually, we were just looking at pictures. There's apparently a red one. Yeah, they do have a subtle smell. And the trees themselves are also fuzzy, all on the branches and the trunk, which is really wild.
It's a fuzzy tree for a fuzzy fruit.
It actually smells a little bit citrusy. Fish great.
Yeah, kiwis are awesome.
Like I was saying, I don't generally have them by themselves, but there is a strawberry-esque taste and texture, so it's obvious why they pair well together. And I think I would have this by itself. That's really good.
Yeah, it's delicious. It's just trying to get all the
skin
the
off.
fuzz. Because I don't know about you, I don't like eating fruit hair.
You don't want to eat the. Let me. Nope. Don't do it.
Okay. I put the whole fruit in my mouth earlier. You saw me try to wipe my tongue with a freaking paper towel. It was a mistake. I went through like 2 paper towels just trying to get all the stupid fuzz off my mouth. That was an idiot sandwich. I was trying to be funny, but then it ended up not being funny real fast.
We should have gotten more of these because this is really good.
Yeah, I'll get more next time.
I do want to save some of the seeds though and attempt to grow them.
I will pluck a few out while we're here.
Because these would be great to have in the garden along with the plethora of strawberry varieties we have. Because yeah, it's super obvious why they pair so well together. They have very similar tastes and textures.
Yeah, they're delicious.
The only thing with trying to grow these is, like we were saying, that they are sort of like avocados in that they need a male and female pollination partners.
But of different varieties? Because like
I haven't deep dived it enough to know if it's different varieties or
they just need the...
Because the male-female thing doesn't... It's... Like, avocados, it's... The flowers are opening and closing at different intervals, and that's what they mean by male-female. I'm not sure what it means for kiwis. So yeah, kiwis, really delicate, fruity, juicy taste.
It's good to have them in strawberry shortcakes. Or like just whipped cream. Yeah, just strawberries and whipped cream.
Now I'm all sticky.
Oh, that's fruit. That's fruit for you.
That's what happens.
That's what happens when you eat fruit. You get sticky.